Welcome back to Crypto Cavalry. In today's video, we'll dive into the world of cryptocurrencies and their potential to replace traditional fiat currencies. We'll explore what's fueling these discussions and how this change could impact economies around the globe. Since their debut in 2009, cryptocurrencies have grown immensely in value and utility, gaining widespread acceptance by retailers, merchants, and investors alike. Governments are now grappling with how to tax and regulate them. Ethereum, for example, has introduced an entire blockchain ecosystem that supports countless use cases, from decentralized finance to the emerging metaverse. Cryptocurrencies offer solutions to some of the issues plaguing fiat currencies, like the need for third-party intermediaries and the high costs of maintaining financial systems. Blockchain technology enables secure and transparent transactions, reducing the need to trust others with our money. But what if cryptocurrencies completely replaced fiat currencies? While they currently operate beyond borders and regulations, this transition would have both pros and cons. Decentralization, a core principle of cryptocurrencies, would eliminate the monetary policy tools used by central banks to manage inflation and employment. The potential impacts of a full-scale replacement are still being studied, but experts believe it could lead to either significant economic instability or a new era of global stability. The International Monetary Fund, IMF, currently advises against adopting cryptocurrencies as national currencies, citing price volatility and risks to macro-financial stability. However, the IMF also recognizes that in countries with unstable financial systems, the benefits of cryptocurrencies might outweigh the risks. Cryptocurrencies have already proven their value in times of crisis, such as when Ukrainians turned to them for financial support during the Russian invasion in 2022. They also provide a lifeline for those in countries facing severe fiat devaluation. So, what does the future of currency look like? Several scenarios are possible. 1. Cryptocurrencies could completely replace fiat currencies, with governments being forced to recognize them as legal tender. 2. A hybrid system could emerge, where both digital assets and fiat currencies coexist, allowing consumers and businesses to choose their preferred option. 3. Cryptocurrencies could be rejected entirely, but this seems unlikely as blockchain technology advancements push us towards more secure and transparent financial systems. Regardless of which scenario unfolds, it's clear that cryptocurrencies have the potential to benefit people worldwide and the economies they inhabit. The ultimate fate of fiat and cryptocurrencies remains to be seen, but both have already demonstrated their value as means of exchange, units of account, and stores of value. Stay tuned to Crypto Cavalry for more updates on this fascinating topic, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for the latest insights.